Welcome to SonicWall Video Solutions. My name is Kritika Nakshatri. Today we will demonstrate how to block access to a network based on MAC address. To block access to a network based on MAC address, we need to first identify the MAC address of the device that needs to be blocked, create an address object using this MAC address, create a rule using the address object created. Today for demonstration, we are using a SonicWall NSA 220 with the firmware version 5.9.0.3. Let us consider a scenario in which you need to block internet access to a particular internal system. Let us consider that system as the one that we are on right now. We need to first obtain the MAC address for this particular system. To get the MAC address, we first go to the command prompt and type in the command ipconfig/all. The physical address that shows up is the MAC address of the device. Next, go to the Network tab, Address Objects, click on Custom Address Objects on top, click on Add. Address object can be named as per your requirement. For example, we call it blocked MAC. Zone assignment is LAN. Type is MAC. You can paste the MAC address, but we need to make sure that it is in a colon-separated format. Click on Add to save this address object. Next, go to the Firewall tab, choose the radio button drop-down boxes. From zone is LAN, to zone is WAN. Click on OK. Here, we create an access rule. Click on Add. Action is set to deny. Service, any. Source, we choose the address object that we created, which is the blocked MAC. Destination is set to any. Click on Add. We now have an access rule which says source blocked MAC, destination any, service any, and action deny. If you hover the mouse pointer over the address object which we created, that is the blocked MAC, you will see that it shows up the IP address instead of the MAC address. The address object was created using the MAC address, but the SonicWall automatically shows the IP address that belongs to this particular MAC address. This IP or this particular MAC is now completely blocked from internet access. This brings us to the end of this video on how to block network access using MAC address. To learn more about Dell SonicWall security products, please visit sonicwall.com. For more video tutorials, visit dellsoftware.com/support. I hope this has been informative and thank you for viewing.